It's been a minute and it's time to make some panel jeans, jean on jean version. Here's my pattern. You can click the link in my bio to get it for free. And I'm gonna line it up on these old jeans and create the panel. These jeans on this side are the destination jean, and I want my point to just come right under this pocket. So I have the pattern folded and I'm gonna cut around it to have the panel. Makes it easier if you just find some stuff and weigh your panel down, so then you can have an easier time cutting out the pattern. Precision is not important to me. I just kind of ballpark do it. So here's the first panel, and then I'm gonna put that on top of the rest of the jeans to make a panel that is similar in size. So here's the panel on top of the jeans. You can kind of see it, and I'm gonna cut it out. Here we go. Here are the two panels. These are the jeans where the panels are gonna go, and I'm gonna cut up the seam to the height of the panel. I'm gonna cut off this bottom seam here, and yeah, I might make it a little shorter because I want to end it. Actually, I want to end it here. I want to end it at this pocket because I don't want to take apart the pocket. Sometimes this happens and it's okay, you just cut it off. Now you have a decision to make. If you want it to be kind of a clean seam, you do face to face and then you sew the outside. If you want it to be opposite, where you have the seam exposed, then you won't do face to face. So I'm gonna pin them like that and then sew the corner. People always ask me how you do the corner, and here it is, and I do the fabric just above, so in an effort to have like a V, but it doesn't always turn out like that. So sometimes I put a cool patch over it, but we'll see how this does. I sewed all the way down and pretty good so far. Now we'll do the other side. I always sew just the point first so I can check it. So we'll turn this inside out and check it, and then we'll continue to sew down the leg. So let's see how I did. Wow, this one's not bad. Again, not going for perfection. There's too much pressure in life to try to be perfect with everything. It might have a little bit of a pucker, but I don't care. So here's the first leg. It's a little longer here, but we can always trim this up later or leave it like that. And here's how they look. So jean on jean. Been seeing a lot of these by different brands lately, but you could totally make your own. Click the link in my bio to get the pattern, and I'll probably cut this off and then wash them so they fray. But these they're awesome rib cage straight ankle size 30, and they're now groovy.